Would you like a car that can parallel and perpendicular park itself? Well, I think the Lexus TX is your answer. And believe me, yes, I know. We all grew up in driver's training, learning from our parents, things like that. We could just easily back up this way. But what if it got easier? Here's where we're gonna find it, right here. Just push P. And I've got to fasten my seatbelt, but then let's get started. So here we go. We've got a spot. We're gonna pick get over there, right there. We've got this pushed. We're up here. And now look, if I want to back in, I've got it set up for backing up. I can also push this for forward, but I want this one right here. So release the brake, it says. It's gonna move on its own. Dance, dance the night away. I'm just can I back up into this spot? Yeah, yeah. All right, look at this. You are doing great, my friend. Excellent. Holla. Did it. Pretty impressive, right? Look at that. And it's showing me how good of a job I did. Woo! Nice job, Jeff. Nice job, Lexus. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try this way. Nice. So I'm gonna stop. Going to push P. It's gonna find a spot right here, and I want to back in, so I'm setting it for backing in, and let's see if we got it made here. So we're gonna trust our friend Lexus here. Backing up. Back that bleep up. Back that bleep up. It's fun to park at the YMCA. It's fun to park at the YMCA. This Lexus TX has just what you need. I just parked without my hands. Yeah. Nice job. So here's what we're gonna do. We found a spot right there. That looks prime for the... Well, thanks for watching, everybody. What do you think about those features there? Would you like to parallel and perpendicular park yourself? Remember, yes, I know we can all park the way that we grew up learning in driver's training, but this way makes it so simple, it's so easy, and it gives you a little bit of peace of mind. So let me know in the comment section. I'm curious to see what you think. All right, what do you think about TX? I'm at Toyota Jeff Reviews and Auto Jeff Reviews. And if you want to subscribe, and I would be thrilled and honored if you would, hit Auto Jeff Reviews, hit Toyota Jeff Reviews. My two channels, if you subscribe to those, I'd be so thankful. Thanks so much. Really appreciate you all. And you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Whatever platform you like, I'd appreciate you following me there. Thanks, everybody. We did it.